Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to register an account in Bybit on mobile app. Let's get started. First, download the official Bybit app from Google Play Store if you use Android or Apple App Store if you use iPhone. Then, step 1, launch the Bybit app. At the bottom right corner, select Assets. Step 2, select the Sync Up button from the upper right corner. Step 3. Similarly, you can register using your email address or mobile number. For registering using email address, key in your email address, password and referral code optional and can be left blank, and select Continue. For registering using mobile number, select Mobile Registration. Next, select your country code, key in your mobile number, password and referral code, optional and can be left blank, and select Continue. Note: clicking on the Sync Up with Google will use the email address linked to your Google account for your Bybit account creation. Clicking on the Sync Up with Apple will use your email address linked to your Apple ID for your Bybit account creation. Share my email. If you have selected Hide my email for the registration, Apple will create a unique random email address with random email address. To check your unique email address, go to the Apple settings, iCloud, apps using iCloud, and select Hide my email. Step 4. If you are not from the restricted countries or region mentioned, select No to continue with registration. Step 5. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification and key in the email or SMS verification code sent to your email address or mobile number respectively. And that's it, you have successfully registered an account on mobile. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.